everyone, my name is Barbara, and I'm a mobile digital artist. Most of the work that I create is shot and edited directly on my iPhone. I love what I do, and I've been doing it for about 5 years now. I found, though, that a lot of people don't really understand what digital art is or what exactly you can do with a smartphone and some apps. The only difference really between a digital paintbrush and a physical paintbrush is that the digital paintbrush is a lot easier to clean. And as with any kind of creating, the only limits are your imagination and the tools that you have. In this course, we're going to learn some of the ways that you can create digital paintings on your phone. But creativity, not technical expertise. It is meant to be a way for you to unleash your inner creative. I encourage you to ignore any doubts you might have about your abilities and just enjoy yourself and have fun. It's really the best way to learn. In this first digital painting class, we're going to be learning one of my favorite apps, which is called Brushstroke. I love this app because there's a lot of control that you have over how the painting comes out. You can choose the style or brushstroke that you want to use. You can choose color or palette. You can choose the surfaces that you want to paint on, canvas or cotton or linen or some kind of paper. There's so many choices. And I think that's what really makes each painting unique. You can even, when you're finished, sign your work and send it to be printed so that you can hang it in your home if you'd like. All from within the app. I use an iPhone, so that's what I'll be teaching on. But it doesn't matter. It's just about being creative. Brushstroke does come in either iOS or Android, so it's up to you. You can choose whichever one you have. You don't need any special skills for this class. You just need imagination and enthusiasm and a desire to have fun and create art. Let's get started.